Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. It's pun art time, and today I hope this drawing inspires you to cake it easy. So let's get started. To draw this cool cupcake, let's first start by drawing the frosting on top. So I'm going to start right here and just draw one big dollop. So it's just kind of like a wave curve and bring it right back in. Then from there, we're going to start to draw the bottom of the frosting now. So right here, we're going to start with one curve. Just going to start to build the top of our cupcake, and same thing on the other side. So just go on the end about the same level. So about right there, and then another layer. So this one's nice and round. We're just going to bring it in. And about the same area, so then we can just go ahead and bring it in more. So we're at the same level now. Now I'm just going to connect it with a bunch of curves. So just 3 nice and even. It's all up to you. There. So we have the top now. Now let's draw the base of our cupcake. So right here, come in a little bit, and I'm going to draw an angle line. And same thing over here. So bring it down to the same level, about right here. I'll stop. And if you want to draw it like I am and putting a floaty on this cupcake, we'll stop right there. And I'm going to come right here and draw a curve all the way across to the other side. If you don't want to put this floaty on this cupcake, then just go ahead and finish the cupcake. Okay, so I have this big curve here. So then now I'm going to come to the right here and draw a curve for the sides of our floaty. Now I'm going to just go ahead and connect it following the top curve. There, got our floaty in, and then let's finish the bottom of our cupcake right here. So just imagine overlapping, coming out about right here and here. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish it. So we round off the corner a little bit and just connect. So let's come right here and give our cupcake here some sunglasses. So I'm going to come right here in the center and start off with a small line. And I'm going to thicken that line right here in the center. And from there, I'm going to start to draw the lens. I'm just going to come out. I'm just drawing a very simple pair of sunglasses. You can make yours very unique if you like. It's all up to you. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. Same thing over here. There. And then let's come right here, and I'm just going to give a little highlight on both sides. And just going to go ahead and shade this all in. So thank you, cuties, for all the love you've given me for my new series, this cute pun art that I've been drawing. I love them so much. They're just so fun. So hopefully you will continue loving them, and you won't mind that I'm drawing so many of them. I really love this cool cupcake, and I hope, like I said, that it really inspires you to cake it easy. So please make sure to check out my Pun Arts playlist if you love these cute little drawings here. Okay, so now the sunglasses are shaded in. I'm going to come right in between and draw a sweet little smile. Kind of goes up a little bit on this side and cap it off. So cool, right? Now let's add some extra stuff. So we have the floaty here, and I'm just going to come in here and decorate my floaty. And of course you can decorate however you like, here and there. You can go all out with this drawing, right? You can add so much stuff. You can add some flamingos, whatever you want. And some anything tropical, right? To make it really cool. Okay, so from there, let's come out here. I'm going to draw one hand. So we're going to come over here, and I'm going to start by right here, and I'm going to bring out a curve. So this hand is holding a drink. So I'm going to come right here and draw a thumb connected, and come right across, giving myself giving myself some space for this drink. I'm going to come right across and about right here. I'm just going to draw 3 ovals connected. So just a very simplified way to draw a little cartoon hand. And in here, we're going to draw our cup. So just come right in here, 2 angles, and connect it at the bottom with a curve, and come right across for the top. There. So then now let's just add a wave in here, and let's add an umbrella so we know it's a tropical drink, right? And a straw, of course. There. Okay, and then now the other side. Oh, let me come in here, finish a little part of the palm area. And so now the other side, same area. So about right here, we're going to have him, this cupcake here, make a hang loose sign with his hands. So let's come up with a curve, and we're going to draw the thumb. So let's go thumb that sticks out, and then right here is going to be 2 ovals, and then the pinky that sticks out. There. So silly, right? And then now the feet. So come right in the center area. I'm going to draw 2 slight angle lines that come out. And I'm going to have my cupcake here wear some flip-flops, so I'm just going to come out a little oval, kind of like a little teardrop shape, I guess. And to make it look like flip-flops, let's come right here with a line and then 2 lines. Same thing over here. So the toes on this side. Just something silly. Okay, so then from there, let's decorate the top of our cupcake. So I thought it would be really cute, since we're having a tropical theme, to put a lei on our cupcake. So I'm going to put that right here. I'm going to come right across and just wiggle some very simple flowers. And I'm going to come to the other side and do the same thing, just so I make sure I'm pretty even. It's just the easiest way. So then now I can just go in there and add a slight curve, fill it in. So now it doesn't really matter if I'm getting too close and making my flowers smaller, bigger, doesn't matter at all. And you just want to wobble a random shape. So like right here, I'm just going to have to make this one bigger. There. And I'm just going to come in here with each one and add a circle. And let's come right here. I'm just going to add some leaves. You can add some here and there just to break it up so it's not so rigid, I guess. Let's see. Maybe another one here. Okay, something like that, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw some sprinkles on top right here. So I'm just going to come right here and draw 2 lines they're parallel to each other and then connected with a curve. I found that's the easiest way to draw these sprinkles. And I'm just randomly putting them here at different angles. Doesn't really matter. And you can put as many as you want or as little as you want. It's all up to you. Really hope you have fun with this drawing. Oh. Here. Okay. So now I'm going to just leave this part blank. So we just enjoy the frosting by itself like that. And that is pretty much it for the cupcake. Now let's write the words cake it easy. I'm just going to do it at the bottom right here. So cake it easy. I'm just going to start right here. Big C. A. Try to be whimsical here with my writing. Cake it, so I know I'm gonna end about right, let's see here, about right here. So I have to keep that in mind. Cake it. Easy, about right here. Okay, so let's A, S, and did I make it right here? Ta-da! We did it! Yay! Okay, so then I'm just going to come in here and thicken it all up. So they're all done. I really hope you had fun and I made it easy for you to follow along to draw this cute little cupcake so that it will inspire you to cake it easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.